5 dumb mistakes most motion designers still make when creating After Effects templates. Picture this. You spend hours building the perfect template. You hit render on your first batch and the chaos unleashes. One render takes 30 minutes, text flies off screen, audio gets cut off, and images stretch like in 2005 PowerPoint slideshow. My name is Ivan, I'm a creative director at Plainly. I break, fix, and optimize After Effects templates for a living. Let me show you how to dodge these 5 mistakes and build fast, flexible templates ready for personal use or full-blown After Effects automation. First mistake, building before you know the inputs. You animated everything, it looks great, then ask, which layers should be dynamic? Just like that, you're knee-deep in renaming layers, resizing images, and rewiring expressions. Solution: start with the data. List the inputs, text, images, clips, colors, before touching a single keyframe. Use prefixes if needed. As you've probably seen in our past videos, I usually use edit prefix. If you're reusing lower third, make it responsive once, recompose, then duplicate. Design after the spreadsheet, not the other way around. Heavy, exotic, or third-party bloat. What do I mean by that? Gigantic 4K or larger files, non-standard file formats, TIFF, AVIF, WebM, or large MOVs. Third-party effects. I admit, Trap Code and Red Giant look cool until someone else opens the project and it breaks because they don't have that plugin. How to fix this? Stick to the basics, use MP4s, JPEGs, PNGs, and WAV files in normal size. Nobody wants a 3 GB project file. Pre-render heavy effects and replace third-party plugins with After Effects native effects where possible. In automation, speed matters. You don't want to wait 30 minutes to render live sports graphics. There's zero excuse for leaving original text or media layer names, or spreading your layers for 30 seconds when they're visible for 3. Templates are usually used by more than one person. They're for your teammates, your client, or video automation software, even if you're building it for yourself. Trust me, in 6 months you'll be glad you named your layers, trimmed them properly, pre-composed scenes, and organized files into clean folders. I worked with client templates where it took me 15 minutes just to find the main composition. For some reason, creatives treat expressions like they're radioactive. And I get it, I'm a creative too. But that fear is why so many automated templates end up looking like crap. Relying only on keyframes kills flexibility. With just a few expressions, you can auto-resize text and images, adapt transitions to comp duration, change colors globally, toggle scenes on and off, and drive entire infographics with data. Basically, if you can think it, expressions can probably build it. If you're scared to start, we've got a whole playlist about After Effects expressions linked above, so be sure to check it out after the video. Last and arguably most critical, not testing for the worst case scenario. Every template looks great with placeholder text and 3-word headlines. But real-world data is messy. You'll face 100-character sentences, vertical photos in a 16:9 frame, and bad contrast brand color. The solution? Try to break the template. Beat it to long text, drop in odd-shaped images, use ugly colors and off-brand fonts. If you're using automation, push a CSV with 100 chaotic rows of data. Then patch what breaks, add expressions, clean things up. You don't want you or your client pushing a batch of 10,000 videos and discover half of them are garbage. Templates need to work every single time. And if you want to make your templates fully responsive and bulletproof, we've got a full breakdown in this video right here.